Hi, my name is Jessica. I'm a student physical therapist. I'm going to be working with you today. So I'd like to start off with a few coordination tests, if that's okay with you. So the first thing that I'm going to have you do is I'm going to hold up a finger and you're going to touch your nose and then touch my finger, okay? So let's start with your left hand. So touch your nose and then touch my finger. Good. Good. Okay, go ahead and switch arms. So for that test, essentially what we're doing is we're doing an alternate finger to nose test. I am looking at movement accuracy and reciprocal motion that is going to scan for any sort of cerebellar involvement. The lesions that we would be looking for might include dysmetria, dyssynergia, can't say that word, and then intention tremors. Okay, so for the next test that I'm going to have you do, go ahead and lay down on your back for me. Okay. So I'm going to hold underneath your elbow. I'm going to bring you up into an elbow flexion position, so your elbow's going to be bent. Just go ahead and relax for me. Okay, good job. So that test was looking for spasticity of the patient's biceps using the modified Ashworth scale. The test is graded from 0 to 4, with 0 indicating no increase in muscle tone, which is normal, and 4 indicates significant rigidity, high muscle tone, and possible catching. There was no increase in muscle tone when I tested the patient, so I would grade her at a 0. For this next test, we're going to be looking at coordination again, okay? What I'm going to have you do is you're going to take your heel and you're going to slide it up on the other leg. Okay, so I'm going to show you. So you're going to take your heel and you're just going to trace a line up your shin and then back down, just like that. Okay, so go ahead, I'll let you try that. So slide up, back down. Let's do one more. Same side. Yep. Good. Go ahead and switch legs. Good job. All right, so for that test that we just performed was the heel to shin test, and that assesses for movement composition. Difficulty completing this would also indicate possible dysmetria and dyssynergia, however you pronounce that word. Basically, difficulty with sequencing. Okay, finally what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come over to the other side. Go ahead and straighten your legs for me. Okay, you just get to stay nice and relaxed. Come right underneath here. Time. Good job. Okay. For that test that I just performed, I'm also looking for spasticity of the involved limb. Same idea using the modified Ashworth scale. The test is graded 0 to 4. Again, with 0 being no increase in muscle tone, indicating normal, and then 4 would be significant rigidity, high muscle tone, and possible catching. For this patient, since there was no increase in muscle tone, I would grade this patient at a 0.